In this video, I'll break down my top 5 carry-on luggages, my experiences, and which carry-on luggages I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked carry-on luggage, and at the end of the video you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best carry-on luggage and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each carry-on luggage, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5 we have the Rockland London Hardside carry-on. The Rockland London Hardside carry-on is notably lightweight, enhancing its portability and ease of use. Constructed from durable ABS material, it effectively protects the contents while maintaining a manageable weight. This carry-on features 4 multi-directional spinner wheels that ensure smooth maneuverability across various surfaces. The ergonomic chrome telescoping handle is sturdy, contributing to the luggage's overall reliability. Design-wise, the suitcase is sleek and available in multiple colors, making it visually appealing and easy to spot on a luggage carousel. The interior is well designed with a mesh zip pocket and an elasticated pocket, which helps in organizing smaller items efficiently. However, while the ABS material contributes to the lightness, it may not withstand the same level of abuse as more premium materials, potentially affecting long-term durability. Overall, this carry-on strikes a good balance between functionality and style. At number 4, we have the Wrangler Spinner Carry-On. The Wrangler Spinner Carry-On stands out for its exceptional maneuverability, thanks to its 360-degree spinner wheels that glide smoothly across various surfaces. This carry-on features a convenient cup holder, phone holder, and USB port, enhancing its functionality for travelers who value accessibility and connectivity. The hard-shell exterior is robust, effectively protecting contents from the rigors of travel, while the interior is thoughtfully designed with organizational pockets and straps to keep belongings secure. Its compact size meets most airline overhead compartment standards, making it an ideal choice for both domestic and international flights. The telescoping handle is sturdy and adjusts easily to different heights, providing comfort for travelers of varying statures. Overall, the Wrangler Spinner Carry-On combines practicality with durability in a sleek, modern design, making it a reliable choice for frequent travelers. At number 3, we have the Travelers Club Chicago Carry-On. The Travelers Club Chicago Carry-On is a lightweight and durable option for short trips, weighing only 6.5 pounds. Its hardside ABS construction withstands the rigors of travel, resisting impacts and scratches effectively. The design is sleek, with a professional black exterior that appeals to business and casual travelers alike. Maneuverability is a breeze thanks to the 4 360-degree spinner wheels, which glide smoothly across airport floors. The push-button telescopic handle system adds to the ease of navigation, although there can be occasional wobbling when fully extended. The interior is fully lined, featuring an accessory pocket and adjustable compression straps, which are great for organizing and securing contents. The expandable design offers additional packing capacity, which is convenient for bringing home souvenirs. A TSA-approved combination lock provides security, ensuring belongings are safe yet accessible for inspections. Overall, this carry-on strikes a balance between functionality and affordability, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious travelers. At number 2, we have the SwissGear Sion Softside Carry-On. The SwissGear Sion Softside Carry-On is remarkably durable, thanks to its scuff-resistant polyester construction. This luggage excels in mobility, equipped with 4 360-degree spinner wheels and a locking push-pull handle, making navigation through crowded airports a breeze. Its interior is thoughtfully designed with adjustable tie-down straps, a mesh pocket, and a removable zippered wet bag, enhancing organizational efficiency. The suitcase also features 2 front pockets for easy access to essentials. However, the handle's durability is a concern as it feels somewhat weak and may not withstand rough handling over time. Overall, the SwissGear Sion offers a blend of functionality and affordability, making it a practical choice for both short trips and extended travel. At number 1, we have the Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Carry-On. The Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Carry-On is impressively durable, making it a reliable choice for frequent travelers. Constructed from lightweight, scratch-resistant polycarbonate, it stands up well to the rigors of travel. Its micro-diamond texture not only enhances durability, but also keeps the suitcase looking good trip after trip. The design features a side-mounted TSA lock which adds an extra layer of security, while the 4 multi-directional spinner wheels offer smooth maneuverability through airports and hotels. Although it lacks extensive internal organization features, the available space is ample for efficient packing. The expandable zipper provides additional packing capacity, which is convenient for bringing home extra items from your travels. Overall, the Samsonite Omni PC combines practical functionality with a sleek, professional appearance, making it a solid choice for both short and long journeys. So that sums up my top 5 carry-on luggages. I hope you enjoyed. You can check out other top 5 videos on my channel by clicking below.